Hi everyone, please watch this tutorial to the end. I have a lovely surprise for you and you're going to enjoy it. See you then. Hi everyone, my name is Mary. Welcome back once again to Mary's Lifestyle. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to make a simple DIY apron. Apron is a very useful piece of fabric to have in your kitchen. And today I am bringing it into your kitchen to show you how to make this. This is a very simple project. It takes approximately 30 to 1 hour depending on how quick you are. So I hope you're going to enjoy the tutorial and you're going to make your own as well. I want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, both old and the new ones. You're welcome into my lifestyle. This is Mary's Lifestyle. Now let's get into the cotton towel and do what we know how to do best. I want to send a special shout out to all my people in Nigeria. It's a very trying period. I want you guys to please give peace a chance. And for those who have lost their loved ones, may the Lord comfort you. So the equipment you're going to be using today are the ruler, and then the pattern master, the chalk, the paper scissors, fabric scissors, pins, and then we have tape measurement here, and then we have marker, we've got pencil here, and also this is the fabric I'm going to be using today. It's an African fabric, but I prefer this because it's subtle and it's good for apron project. So I'm going to show you how to cut and sew. Here is the pattern which I'm going to be using for this project today. So your shoulder, in this particular measurement, the shoulder is 8. So instead of marking 8, you divide them into 4. Divide your shoulder into 4 and mark 4 here. So this is going to be your neck. Then you mark 4, just like I did here. You mark 4 here, and then you mark your vertical measurement from your shoulder to where your upper bust is, and then you mark just like I did here. So this one is 8, and then you go down as well and mark your bust measurements, your under bust measurements. Those are the few measurements that you'll need to do this project perfectly. So go ahead and mark your circumference measurements. So you do your upper bust divided by 2. So at this point I've divided mine, it's 7, and then you also do the bust as well. The same way you usually do your basic body measurements is the way you do your apron, and you do the same thing under your under bust as well. So once that is done, for you to get the armhole, usually the armhole will stop somewhere here or here, but now because you're doing an apron, it has to be open all the way. I'll show you when I'm using it on the mannequin. So your armhole is going to come down all the way to the bust. So from the bust measurement here, you bring it down by 1 inch. Bring it down by 1 inch more to get your shoulder measurement. So I'm going to show you. This is what you do. You use your pattern marker to mark it, and in order to get your shoulder, your armhole opening measurements. This is your bust, this is your upper bust, and this is your under bust measurement. So at this point you bring it down from your bust 1 inch below your bust measurement to get your armhole when you're doing your apron. Now take the full length of the measurement and add 2 inches to the side to make it fuller. Let me now explain one more thing so that you wouldn't get confused when you're doing it. You know, this is just this is the pattern. So you're going to cut this paper on fold. You're going to cut this pattern on fold when you're cutting it on the fabric. That is why I folded it into two. I folded it into two so that when you open it, you have just one single apron. So this side is not opening. There's no opening here. So you fold it on fold and place your apron, your pattern on it, and pin it to the fabric. Place your apron and pin it nicely to the fabric. I'm not adding any allowance because I'm using bias binding. You know, I like using bias to finish my raw edges. Voila. I'm going to be using bias binding to finish my raw edges. So I'm going to start with the edge. I'm going to start here. I'm going to put the bias. This is how bias looks like. So I'm using cotton bias binding. This is very easy to use. So I'm going to put it here. I'm starting with the edge of the apron. As you can see, this is the edge of the apron. So I'm going to put it here. For the neckband, use about 14 inches long. I hope you enjoy watching the tutorial today. Thank you so much. Please kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Please visit us at maruciami.com and also visit our social media handle at maruciami, Facebook, maruciami, Instagram, and leave us a comment. Remember, at the beginning of the tutorial, I promised you I have a surprise for you. I'm here to deliver it. Please stay back and watch. I hope you enjoyed your Black History Month. It was very interesting at the store. We had our pop-up event and it was really amazing. Many people showed up to support us. Many people called us. Many people also sent us texts and wishing us well. I want to say a very big thank you to you all, and I said God bless you. We love you all. Also, I have a surprise for each and every one of you watching me right now. Next month, the month of November, is a special month in my life. So it's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. In case you didn't know, yeah, I'm a November baby. How many of you are November baby? Join me in celebrating. Anyway, I want to say, okay, since it's November and it's my birthday, I don't want to receive any gift from anybody. I want you to sponsor someone to come and learn how to make this lovely apron. Christmas is coming. It's a time to give some little gift. Sponsor someone, give the person the gift of a lifetime. That's what I call it. Give someone the gift of a lifetime. Someone gave me what I'm giving back to you. And this is my own little way of giving back to the society. So I want you to sponsor someone. In fact, you come along and sew with me. It's going to be an online event. Zoom events. So everyone is going to have the opportunity of cutting and making their own apron. So I hope you're going to sponsor someone. You're going to join me as well. You know, buy this gift, give it to a friend, and let us have an apron at home. It's a beautiful piece of fabric to have at home. I have them a lot. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for signing up for the courses. And thank you for subscribing. God bless you. I love you all. You can contact us on our WhatsApp number to sign up for the courses, or send us a text or inbox us on any of the social medias, and we will get back to you. Thank you so much for signing up. God bless you.